In the vast ocean of project management software, Wrike has carved out a significant niche, particularly for its robust features and scalability, catering to teams from small startups to large enterprises. When exploring a tool like Wrike, one of the first and most critical questions that arises for any project manager or business owner is, how much is Wrike per month? As a project management expert, I can tell you that answering this question isn't as simple as providing a single number. Wrike, like many leading software as a service, SaaS platforms, utilizes a tiered pricing model, meaning the cost per month largely depends on the specific features you need, the number of users on your team, and whether you opt for annual or monthly billing. Understanding these tiers and their associated costs is essential for making an informed decision that aligns with your project management needs and budget. Let's break down Wrike's pricing structure, focusing on the per-month aspect and what you can expect from each tier. Wrike's pricing tiers, a detailed look. Wrike typically offers several distinct pricing plans, designed to accommodate various team sizes and complexity levels. These usually include a free plan, and then several paid tiers such as Team, Business, Enterprise, and sometimes a Pinnacle plan. The listed prices are almost always per user per month, and are generally lower if you commit to annual billing rather than month-to-month. Free plan. Cost, $0 per month. What it offers. This plan is designed for individuals or small teams just getting started with basic task management and collaboration. It typically includes core features like project and task management, board and table views, file sharing, and basic integrations. You get web, desktop, and mobile apps. Limitations. While it offers unlimited users, the free plan usually comes with significant limitations on storage, e.g., 2 GB per account, and advanced features like Gantt charts, custom workflows, or extensive reporting. It's a great way to try out the platform's fundamental capabilities. Best for very small teams, freelancers, or individuals who need a centralized place to manage simple tasks and collaborate without complex project structures. Team plan. Cost. Approximately $9.80 per user per month. When billed annually, this price would likely be higher if billed monthly. What it offers. This tier steps up from the free plan, designed for growing teams that need more robust project planning and collaboration tools. Key additions often include unlimited projects and tasks, interactive Gantt charts, custom fields, shareable dashboards, and additional storage per user, e.g., 2 GB per user. You also start to get more automation actions. Best for small to medium-sized teams, often up to 25 users, who require visual project timelines, more customization, and better collaboration features for managing multiple projects. Business plan. Cost. Approximately $24.80 per user per month. When billed annually. Again, expect a higher price for monthly billing. What it offers. This is often Wrike's most popular plan, targeting all teams across an organization that need a highly customizable and scalable platform. It builds significantly on the team plan, adding crucial features like custom workflows, time tracking, real-time reporting, custom request forms, resource management, often as an add-on or in higher tiers, more automation actions, and advanced integrations, e.g., native Salesforce integration. It also offers increased storage per user, e.g., 5 GB. Best for mid-sized to larger teams, often 5 to 200 users, that require comprehensive project management capabilities, advanced reporting, time tracking for billing or budgeting, and the ability to customize workflows to match their unique business processes. Enterprise plan. Cost. Custom pricing. You need to contact Wrike for a quote. What it offers. This plan is built for large organizations with complex needs, emphasizing enterprise-grade security, advanced user controls, and scalability. It includes everything in the business plan plus features like SAML-based SSO, 2FA, custom access roles, audit reports, advanced security features, and significantly more storage, e.g., 10 GB per user. It also typically offers a much higher number of automation actions. Best for large corporations, organizations with strict security and compliance requirements, and those managing numerous complex projects across various departments. Pinnacle plan. Cost. Custom pricing. Contact Wrike for a quote. What it offers. This is Wrike's top-tier offering, providing the most advanced features for large, complex operations, particularly those requiring extensive business intelligence, BI, granular resource management, like bookings and custom job roles, advanced budgeting, and highly customized automation. Storage typically increases further, e.g., 15 gigabytes per user. Best for very large enterprises or professional service firms with highly specific and demanding project, resource, and financial management needs, requiring the utmost control and insight. Important considerations for your budget. Annual versus monthly billing. As noted, Wrike, like most SaaS providers, offers a discount for annual subscriptions. If you commit to a year, your per-month cost will be lower than if you pay month to month. For long-term project success, an annual commitment often makes sense if you're sure Wrike is the right fit. Minimum user counts. Some plans, particularly the higher tiers, might have a minimum number of users you must purchase licenses for, even if you have fewer active users. Always check this detail. Add-ons. Wrike offers various add-ons, e.g., Wrike Integrate for custom integrations, Wrike Sync for two-way synchronization with other tools, Wrike Lock for advanced data encryption. These come with additional costs on top of your base subscription. Scalability. Consider your team's projected growth. Will the plan you choose today still meet your needs in 6 months or a year without forcing a costly upgrade? Your actual needs. Don't pay for features you won't use. Carefully assess your project management requirements, team size, and desired level of automation and reporting before selecting a plan. The business plan is popular for a reason. It strikes a good balance for many.